I'm now going to show you how to send a text message from your computer to a cell phone. First step, you need to access your email account. The message that you want to send via text. So I typed in, "Hey, how are you doing?" And as we're going to see on my cell phone here, I'm going to receive a text message here shortly from the computer that I used. Like I just did from the computer. On the cell phone, you access it just like a regular text message you would receive. Shows you from the email address and the message that I typed in. And from there, you just sent a text message using your computer.